Did you know you can add just about any third-party software to Dubsado? Because you can. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can embed code into Dubsado. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. My name is Ray, if you don't know who I am, and I'm the owner of Productive Co. I love Dubsado, so I talk about it a lot on this channel. In today's video, I'm talking about embedding code into Dubsado. You can embed code into Dubsado from pretty much any third-party service as long as you can access their code. Now, before I show you how to embed the code, let's just go over a couple of things. While you can embed pretty much any code in Dubsado, you can't embed it everywhere. So, where can you embed it? You can embed code inside of your form section under questionnaires, proposals, and lead captures. You can't embed code at the moment under contracts or sub-agreements. There is one other place you can embed code. If you go to templates and then canned emails, right under where it says canned emails on the right side, it says signature. You can embed code into your email signature that you put on every canned email or every other email that you send out. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to add code. The first thing you're going to do is go to the third-party software of your choice. In this example, I'm going to go to Acuity Scheduling. And every software is going to be different, so you might need to dig around a little bit in order to find the code. Now in Acuity, I have a couple different options. I can use a direct link, embed the scheduler, a booking button, or a booking bar. I'm just going to embed my entire scheduler. So I'm going to copy the code, and then I'm going to go back into Dubsado. I'm going to access the document where I want to place the code. In this case, it's going to be under templates and forms, and I'm going to put it into my lead capture. Once you get into the form you want to add the third party to, go ahead and hit edit. And then over on the right side, you can see there's a form element called code block. Go ahead and click on that. It will go all the way to the bottom of your form. So if we scroll down here, we can see it says hello world. That's actually coded there. So just go ahead and click on that and a box will open up on the right side. I'm going to remove the default code there and then simply paste the code from Acuity. I'm going to hit close. And you can see my scheduler is now embedded into this lead capture in Dubsado. So I'm going to go ahead and hit save. And the last thing I'm going to do is show you what it looks like from the client's perspective. I'm going to go back into my lead capture. And this time I'm going to hit share. Now I have code where I can embed my lead capture, or I can send leads to a direct link. If you send them to a direct link, this lead capture won't be hosted on your website. It will be hosted on Dubsado's. If you embed this code, it will be hosted on your website. Just for testing purposes, I'm going to go to the link provided by Dubsado. And this is the lead capture that the client sees. So I've got my header, my questions, and then once again, you can see the scheduler. And once they're done scheduling, they can hit send. So that's how you embed code into Dubsado. And now you know the 4 places you can embed code: questionnaires, proposals, lead captures, and then the canned email section under email signature. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me in the comments below. If you thought this video was helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you would like notifications of when new videos go live every single week, make sure you hit that bell icon after subscribing. Thanks for joining me this week, guys. Once again, my name is Ray. I will see you next week.